The growing demand for beginner compound bows mirrors the rise of archery as a recreational sport and hobby. Much like mechanical keyboards that attract typists and aimers with their tactile precision, beginner bows appeal to kids, teens, and first-time shooters seeking accuracy, safety, and fun. In this guide, we evaluate bows based on draw weight, adjustability, build quality.
List number 1. Youth Compound Bow and Arrow Set for kids ages 8 to 12, beginner archery. The Youth Compound Bow and Arrow Set is a fantastic starter kit for children between 8 and 12 years old who want to explore archery. With its compact size and lightweight design, it's easy for young hands to hold and aim, making it less intimidating for beginners. The draw weight is appropriately low, which allows kids to learn proper shooting form without straining their muscles. This set typically includes a durable compound bow, multiple fiberglass arrows, a quiver, and an arm guard for added safety. Parents will appreciate that it balances fun with practical features, ensuring kids stay engaged while developing shooting accuracy. The non-slip grip and stable construction give children confidence as they learn how to draw and release properly. One of the highlights is its adjustability, allowing it to grow slightly with the child, making it a long-lasting beginner investment. Unlike many toy-like archery sets, this one feels closer to a real bow, helping kids transition smoothly into more advanced equipment later. Verdict: perfect for young learners who need a safe, reliable, and easy-to-handle bow.
List number 2. Compound Bow and Arrow for Youth and Beginner. Archery Bow Set for Kids. This compound bow and arrow set is designed for both youth beginners and teens, making it a step up from standard toy bows. Its slightly stronger draw weight introduces kids to the mechanics of real archery while keeping safety in mind. The kit usually comes with everything a beginner needs: arrows, a quiver, and protective gear, ensuring a complete starter package. What makes this bow stand out is its durable build quality. Made from strong composite materials, it offers excellent resistance against wear and tear, ideal for kids who are learning outdoors. The ergonomic grip allows better handling, reducing strain during repeated practice. Beginners benefit from the bow's balance of forgiveness and accuracy, which helps them progress faster without frustration. Parents and coaches will find this set a great teaching tool. It instills confidence by being powerful enough to feel like real archery equipment while remaining manageable for kids. Its smooth draw cycle encourages proper shooting form, preparing young archers for more advanced bows in the future. List number 3. Sopager Kids Bow and Arrow Set for Boys, Girls, Beginner Bow and Arrow for Kids. The Sopager Kids Bow and Arrow Set is tailored for children who are absolute beginners. Its design prioritizes safety and ease of use, making it a great introduction to archery for kids as young as 6 years old. The lightweight bow ensures children can hold it comfortably for extended play, while the included arrows are designed with safety tips to minimize risks. This set's biggest strength is its kid-friendly design. The bow features soft grips and a manageable draw weight, so kids don't struggle to pull back the string. It comes with suction or soft-tipped arrows, which makes it safe for indoor or backyard play. Despite being beginner-focused, it still teaches the basics of aiming, drawing, and releasing. Parents love that it doubles as both a toy and a learning tool. It sparks an interest in archery without the intimidation of a full-performance bow. The build quality is solid enough for repeated use, and its bright design appeals to kids visually, keeping them engaged. Verdict: best for very young beginners who want a fun, safe, and engaging way to learn the basics of archery before moving on to more advanced bows. List number 4. 5.9-inch, 7.2-inch, 18.7-inch Compound Bow and Arrow Set, Mini Archery Bow Set with Arrows. This mini compound bow set is an excellent choice for children and small beginners who are just starting to explore archery. Available in different sizes, 5.9-inch, 7.2-inch, 18.7-inch, it caters to kids of varying ages and strengths. Its compact design ensures maximum comfort and control, making it much easier to handle than larger bows. The bow itself is made of durable ABS material and comes with arrows suited for beginners. It's designed to be lightweight yet sturdy enough to withstand regular use. Unlike toy bows, this one mimics the mechanics of a real compound bow, giving beginners a more authentic shooting experience while keeping draw weight safe for young users. One standout feature is its versatility. It can be used both indoors and outdoors depending on the arrow tips. The smooth draw and release mechanics help children develop coordination and accuracy. Parents will appreciate that this bow provides a true archery experience while still being safe and manageable for kids.
List number 5. Archery bow set left and right hand compound bow. For older kids, teens, and even adult beginners, this ambidextrous hunting style compound bow is an outstanding entry-level choice. Unlike smaller sets designed just for children, this bow offers real compound bow performance, suitable for practice, training, and even introductory hunting. The bow is crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring strength and durability. Its adjustable draw weight makes it adaptable for different age groups and skill levels, while the ambidextrous design makes it comfortable for both left and right-handed shooters. This flexibility sets it apart from many beginner bows that only cater to one-hand orientation. This set often comes with a full package, including arrows, quiver, sight, and other essential accessories. The smooth draw and accurate release make it excellent for learning proper archery techniques while experiencing the power of a true compound bow. Though slightly more advanced, it remains beginner-friendly thanks to its adjustability and balanced design. Verdict: the best pick for teens and adult beginners looking for a serious entry-level compound bow that delivers performance, adjustability, and versatility for long-term use.